for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting minigames with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! What a beautiful day on your very own island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover.
Hi, Tom and Friday help boarded the very important job. I'll take an navigation to find out what it is.
It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the green one.